Okay, this is the BOSCH Autodome VG4 disassembling. Right, sadly I've already taken the cover off. So the housing, also known as the hemisphere, has been taken off. So let's do this. Right, so basically to get this off here, there's a little warner clip here. Just simply push that in and then turn it anti-clockwise. It should lift out. That gives you access to that. So there we go. Label says VG4 18x optical, PAL, G4 cam. Here's the BOSCH cobbler screwdriver. Take out these 3 screws. And we get into the guts of it all. Right, so what are the 4 screws now? These 4 screws. Sometimes better just getting a wee precision screwdriver to do these things. While I'm at it, I must admit, I highly recommend the wee draper ones. Draper. Those are good quality. Nice grip to them. The metal stays in the rubber housing. It doesn't spin internally like some of the Chinese crap that they make. It's probably made in China right enough, but so basically we've got the 4 screws out. Just clip there, clip there, clip. It should just be pulling out. Let's get these screws out of the way first, give it a wee shake also. A wee shake never done anybody any harm. Right, what have we got here? See that? You see these 2 bits here? Quite hard to notice them actually. These 2 bits here. See them? Had to look at the monitor there. Right. So there's 2 clips here in the middle. Push them in, throw them in like that, and that will lift out. Revealing that it says BOSCH Autodome heater module, standard temperature heater module. So we've got it out, and now we can see a little clip on this side. Push that back, and that should lift out. Now we've got the what module is that for? VG4 MTRN-S standard communications module for the Autodome. The G4 standard communications module. So to recap, you've got the heater module, the communication module, and what do we have left? Right, let's see. And here there's 1, 2 screws. 2 screws on the green circuit board at the base. Let's remove those. Give it another wee shake, get the screws out of the way. And there we have this coming out now. Just giving it a gentle squeeze together. And there we have that more important rubber gasket here. No sign of a battery. That'll be fuses here. Fuses. See the fuses? 1, 2. Okay, so that's us disassembled it. Now we'll run off another one. Let's not get them confused. So we had the central processing unit module. We had the heater module. We had the communications module and the base.